Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel Lifestyle by Sheens. And if you are new here, I am so glad you stopped by. Today, we are diving into one of my absolute favorite DIY projects that perfectly blends creativity, simplicity, and elegance. Decorative candle crafting using just a tissue paper and a flat iron. Yes, it's that easy and so much fun. As you all know by now, creativity is my lifestyle. It's in everything I do, from how I cook and decorate to how I prepare for gatherings. And today I wanted to add a little something extra special to the atmosphere. And what better way to do that? Yes, guess what? Then with beautiful personalized candles that I crafted myself. Okay, so let's talk about what you will need. Plain white candles, any shape or size you like, decorative tissue paper, choose prints or designs that match your event theme, and then wax paper and a flat iron. Yes, you're right, your hair straightener, scissors and tape. So I started by picking out some gorgeous tissue paper designs. I went with florals, a few intricate patterns, and even some festive motifs. You can match these to your event, like think about birthdays, dinner parties, or even seasonal themes like Eid, Diwali, or cozy winter nights. Next, I carefully cut the tissue paper to the size, just enough to wrap around the candle like a skin. Now here's where the magic happens. I placed the tissue paper onto the candle and covered it with wax. Yes, with wax paper. Then gently press the flat iron over it. The heat melts the candle's surface just enough for the tissue paper to bond with the wax. And the result? A smooth professional looking design that looked like it's printed right onto the candle. It's honestly so satisfying to watch the pattern blend into the candle, and each one turns into so unique. I get such a creative buzz from this part. And the best thing is, you don't need any fancy tools or equipment, just stuff you already have at home. And that's what I love most about crafting, taking simple things and turning them into something extraordinary. And just imagine how impressed your guest will be when they see handmade candles at your event. And how about pasting their names on them? Also, I want to mention how these candles aren't just decorative, they become part of your story. They show your guests that you have put thought, love, and creativity into every corner of your event. And that's what makes hosting so magical for me. It's not about perfection, it's about those warm, thoughtful touches that say, I care. And let me just say, if you are a fellow creative soul or someone who just loves trying new things, this project is a must. Whether you are prepping for a dinner party, planning a celebration, or just decorating your home for the season, these DIY candles add such a personal and elegant touch. So now that I have a whole batch of these beautiful candles, I am planning to place them around the house, on the dining table, near the entryway, and even in the washroom for that fancy hotel feel. I may even create little candle bundles as party favors. Imagine your guest going home with a handmade candle wrapped in the ribbon. This is the kind of creativity I live for. It's not just a hobby, it's my lifestyle. Finding joy in the little things, adding beauty where I can, and always making it personal. So, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more DIY home decor hosting ideas or creative lifestyle inspirations, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would love to know what kind of candle designs you would try or what events you are prepping for next. Let's share ideas in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me. I hope you leave feeling inspired to try this simple yet stunning project yourself. Until next time, keep creating, keep shining, and remember, a touch of handmade makes everything more special.